Maybe you were looking to replace or upgrade your Valence Workstation GPU and noticed this support bracket, originally installed to stabilize your GPU during transit. Whether you want to remove the bracket because it doesn't fit your aesthetic, or you want to keep it for its function, we're here to help you understand how it works. We 3D printed this bracket from nylon carbon fiber to prevent the GPU from shifting during its journey. It's constructed of two parts, the mounting plate and the support arm. The mounting plate is fixed to the chassis, and the support arm is then secured to the mounting plate and supports the GPU. Let's get started. First, locate the screw securing the support arm to the mounting bracket and remove it. No need to worry if the mounting plate on the back of the system falls out. We'll be taking that out later. Next, remove the two screws attaching the GPU to the chassis. Then any power cables attach to the GPU. Finally, we need to release the retention clip holding the GPU to the motherboard. Since this area is hard to reach, we recommend using a card of some sort to push down on the retention clip. Once the GPU has been removed, set it aside. Now you should be able to reach the mounting plate. Simply press on the side with the Exxact logo and it should pop out. In order to retrieve it, we need to access the area behind the motherboard. Start off by locating the two screws on the back of the system holding the panel in place. Remove the screws and slide the panel to the back of the system. Once the panel is past the rail, lift the panel up. Now you can retrieve the mounting plate. If it isn't immediately visible, you should be able to find it nestled in a bundle of wires. Lastly, let's remove the support arm. Simply unscrew the two Phillips screws attaching the bracket to the GPU. Once removed, the GPU is ready to be installed into the system. For easier access, we recommend you lay the system flat on its side. The rest is easy. Line up the GPU with the slot on the motherboard. Push down with firm but steady pressure on each end of the card until you hear a click. Next, screw the GPU back into the case, reconnect your power cables, replace the panels, and you're ready to go.